today we have day 4 of our GingerKid brew cycle. See the bubble in the back here? It's actually gas underneath this new SCOBY that's formed. This is a new one that formed after about a day and a half. This one underneath is the original that I put in the bath. As you can see, and this is backlit because the sun's outside blasting it in, but this is actually starting to become pretty clear. If your concentrate was thick enough, you would have had kind of a darker green tea color, and over time the SCOBY will break all of this down and it'll turn clear. Now, something I have learned over the last couple of days is if your gin tea or your kombucha starts smelling a little like farts, which is okay, it's not meaning it's bad. It means that actually there's heat variation causing, or too many heat variations causing the yeast to actually explode. And you see the yeast here and the yeast sediment down at the bottom here. And when the yeast does that, it releases sulfur, little sulfur farts, along with the other gases. And as you can see, there's a little bit of gas here trapped, but that big bubble in the back is all gas trapped underneath the SCOBY, because the SCOBY kind of makes almost an airtight seal, so to speak. There's Elvis's butt. Anyhow, so what we do about that is we can release some of the gas by wiggling the SCOBY around, just to release some of the excess sulfur and other gases that may have built up. And then also ensure that we keep our brew in a nice, cool area out of the sun. And unfortunately, I have this in the sun for demonstration purposes, but because you guys need to see this. So what we'll do is we'll put this guy in the bathroom closet, maybe underneath a sink or something. Usually it's the coolest place in the area. It is summertime, so we all need to be aware that there are massive heat fluctuations going on in our homes. I mean, even going from 70 to 82 degrees or something like that, you know, during the night and the day, that's a big variation for this guy. So if we can keep him at a steady, that's all better. Anyway, this is Lincoln's Hammer. Until next time, keep on brewing.